back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button right down below and hit that post notification bell not once but twice, so you know when your girl is uploading, like duh. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. As you guys can see from the title, today we are doing an, what is it, like an empty apartment tour. Yeah, we're moving next month. I'm so excited to move, like so excited. This is probably like one of my my second time being like very excited to move. But yeah, so you guys are going on this little crazy ride with us. Hopefully y'all like it. Comment down below, you know, if you like it or whatever. I'm super excited. I'm moving with my cousin Swag. Y'all seen him in my videos if you're an oldie, but if you're a newbie, you'll see him. He lost his voice, and he can't really move his neck. So bear with him. He gonna be struggle busting in this video, but yeah, like I'm super excited to actually like see it with the lens of like this is my home. I'm gonna shut up, and the next slide will be us in our new apartment. Y'all, so we just got back home from seeing our new home, and honestly, like, let me know in the comments what you guys think. I had to film it on my phone only because like the guy, he came upstairs with us, and I honestly hate like pulling out my camera and like filming when like the leasing people is there, like even though like that's our apartment and we signed the lease and it's like ours, but I just be feeling weird, you know, sometimes like pulling out like my whole entire camera. So I just filmed on my phone. But yes, if you made it to this part of the video, thank you so much. I love you guys so much for all the support, all the views and all of that good stuff. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know down below how you like it, what you feel, all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.